At a recent Shingo conference, I was looking out across the sea of people and I saw one of our team leaders from our tooling shop. And he was talking to another team leader from another Shingo Prize winner. It just excited me to see them so engaged in conversation. And I took a picture of it because I was so excited about it. I wanted to show it to people to say, this is why I bring leaders to the Shingo conference. I can't think of a better place to rub shoulders and talk with other people who are also trying to implement the Shingo model, who are trying to implement Lean the way we're trying to do it.
The most important part of this Shingo conference is the people you meet, the networking that you're going to do. These are people that you're going to remember forever and have a really good connection with. So the Shingo Institute and the conference really enables you to do that.
One of the things that I think has set it above a lot of other conferences I've been to is the relevance. So every talk I've been to, every class I've been to, regardless of the background of the speaker, it's relevant to all types of organizations, everything from finance organizations, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing. So there's a nugget that I can take home from every single talk.